Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're actually doing a nighttime POV. Let's do a quick walk around the car. We got little Cindy, you know, she's looking cool, she's looking funky. But yeah, little walk. We got Michael in the car too, because obviously I have to make him tag along. But yeah, we got the exhaust. So in the video, I'm gonna have to shout because this fucking bad boy's a little bit too loud in my car. But yeah, let's get in, let's do a nighttime POV. Say hi. That's so rude. I've even put the LEDs on for you guys. We're just gonna drive around.
Last time you did this, you were a learner.
Yeah, I was a learner when I did this. The last nighttime POV I did was a year ago, and the daytime one was good 9 months ago. Yeah, I was learning to drive. So now, obviously, if you guys watch my channel, you know I passed my test middle of November. So I've been driving for nearly 3 months now, like past.
Yeah, for some reason I'm here.
Yeah, we still got Michael, even though I passed now, we still get him in. It's more fun that way.
Straight, reverse straight.
Why?
Yeah,
see, here he goes, telling me how to fucking drive again. There's literally nothing around us. There's not a single reason why I need to reverse straight.
Just go right to the tree. Oh. I love that.
Bloody.
Bit hard because you sit so close to the wheel.
Yeah, I have to. I can't reach the pedals otherwise.
Chloe sits so close to the steering wheel that you can't even see the gear stick. And you do know, Chloe, like, it's on super view, like the widest lens you could possibly do.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't help that I've got small legs. But still.
Look at that launch, Jesus Christ.
Oh, ready, go! Cindy would be a lot quicker if my clutch wasn't destroyed. So bear that in mind.
How's your driving going, Chloe? So far?
It's going good.
We have asked this like every
video. That's what I was gonna say. We seem to talk about this every video, but it is going good. Oh, I'm speeding.
It's going good, but I'm speeding.
But yeah, I'm happy. But I haven't had too many dodgy things. Oh, I'm gonna insert a photo. The other day, right, I was parking outside my house, and I seemed to get stuck on the curb, and I thought, what am I stuck for? But you know, me being me, I continued to try to move my car, even though I was stuck. And then I thought, nah, I'll just fucking leave it where it is. And then I got to Michael's house and I looked at my wheel and I thought, oh fucking hell, I'll pop a picture in. It's got a nice little pattern on it now. I quite like it, it's unique.
Yeah, how did you do that then? How did you get the pattern?
Yeah, I curbed the fuck out of them.
Can you read it?
Yeah, we've got...
Slow down. Slow down, slow down.
It's not even on.
The lights aren't on. First gear?
I'm going.
Oh my god, this is dangerous. What? The traffic lights ain't on. Be careful here. Be really careful. Mate, that's bad. They're not on either. If two cars meet, one of them's gonna have to reverse. And
it ain't fucking me. I can't reverse for shit. Well, I can reverse, but not along that road. I'll probably fuck it up, let's be real. I'm looking to get a new car in the next couple months or so. Let me know what sort of car you want. Obviously, I don't have a massive budget. I don't really know what my budget is, if I'm going to be honest. Obviously, we're gonna sell Cindy, put whatever I get down for Cindy as like a deposit payment thing.
What car do you want, Claire?
Well, I'm looking at like Polos, Golfs. Probably have to be a Polo. Golf's too expensive, aren't they? I don't know. Something about Volkswagen. I want a Volkswagen, like one like that. But I will obviously have to look at different options too. Let me know what sort of car things you guys would get. I don't know.
MX-5?
No. Do you think do I want to die? I can barely drive Cindy. Right.
What's the speed limit here, Claire?
Couldn't tell you.
Fuck's sake.
Toxic trait, don't read road signs.
And speed bumps.
Oh, that was a nice one. Bumps? Or am I just a really good driver?
Yeah, no.
Now you can barely feel them.
It's just Cindy's suspension. It's like a Rolls Royce.
Talk about suspension. I had an MOT the other week.
Oh.
So I thought, no, Cindy's top tier. Nothing wrong with Cindy. We've just changed the brakes. She's got a new exhaust. Lovely, 10-10. So I only put the £50 aside that you'd need if just for the standard MOT. And then I got hit with a £430 bill and I thought, oh no. £430 I've joked about being poor before. Now I generally am poor. Basically, Cindy needed new. What does she need? New lower suspension arms. Lower control. Oh, okay, on both sides. She needed a new clamp on the exhaust, but we knew there was a blow-in anyway.
My bad. It's a bit depressing MOTs. You know when I used to get stressed at MOTs, Claire?
Yeah.
I wonder why. I need to shut up.
Is he turning?
Yeah, you can.
Can you see me quick?
Turn in, you fuck.
Ow! I thought I did quick.
It's high beam flashing.
How far away are you? I can't even see because your high beams are on.
There you go.
Can I go?
No, just wait. You could have probably went, but
Oh, he's fucking miles away.
it was nice.
Sorry, my guy behind.
Careful. She's like a boy racer. Slow it right down. Fucking
Why? I was fine.
I was actually speeding. I'm literally like clenching onto my seat sometimes. Like you go quicker around corners than me.
I'm actually a good driver, right? I swear to
Yeah, you're good.
I swear to you, I'm quick. Yes. Try getting in Michael's car, then you'll know fucking quick.
Oh no, but there's more mad drivers than me.
Yeah.
I'm timid.
Let's go fill my car up. Only £25 because that's all I had in my petrol money.
Chloe, you're not even recording.
Shut up. I'd actually fucking punch you in the head if you did that. Literally not even funny. Okay, we're just going to Tesco, guys, to fill up, and then I'll come back when we're filled up. Because I'm keeping the camera on my head. There's no fucking way. Okay, see ya. Okay, we've just done the petrol fill up. £25, like I said. That's it.
Wait, can you just wait there for a second? I need to take a picture of you.
No.
You look like a criminal. I love fucking being passenger. I actually do.
Passenger princess.
The fact I can just do shit on my phone, like. I haven't lived this life. You're a boy racer.
I'm a boy racer. Look at me go. I just flicked something, I think.
Chloe, why? You're so erratic with driving.
Yeah, that was just because I accidentally flicked something that I've lost.
No.
No!
I've kept my mouth.
Oh, I have literally been in a car with you where you skid the fuck out of it. I don't want to hear a rag driving my ass. I've just turned my lights off. There's roadworks everywhere. Have I been on a road today that doesn't have roadworks? Couldn't tell you. Probably not. I work down this shopping centre, right? It's like an outdoor shopping centre. Basically, you can only park in the car park for 4 hours. It's camera operated, 4 hours is your max. So bearing in mind, most shifts are 8 hours, 9.5, you're there 9.5 hours. So you can't park in the car park. There's literally nowhere to park. The whole industrial estate round it is double yellows everywhere. So there's a road, like 5-minute walk from the shopping centre, there's like this side road that leads to these factories. So that's where I've been parking, that's where a couple people park. It's the only road to park. Anyway, the road that I park on, they fucking put double yellows there. So where am I meant to park? How are you gonna have me work at a shopping centre and I can't even park anywhere? Because there's double yellows everywhere, or I'd get a parking fine. And the parking fine for the car park is like £100. It's a joke. So anyway, I'm just raging about that. And my head hurts from having the GoPro on it.
It hurts afterwards.
I nearly knocked myself out the other day. I was getting out of my car and my coat caught on my steering wheel. And there was a car coming, so I quickly pulled my head in to get my coat off. And I literally smacked my eye against the top of my door. And my eyes were watering and my head hurt. I had a fucking massive bump come up.
I think what we've learned in today's video is Chloe needs to learn to read fucking road signs.
But yeah, anyway, I'm probably going to end the POV here because we're not that far from home now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know any video ideas you want to see because I'm running out of things to do to Cindy before, obviously, I get a new car. let me know your thoughts, anything. But yeah, follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you